When it comes to vehicle maintenance, windshield wiper blades probably aren't the first thing that comes to mind. The lifespan of wiper blades for most cars is up to 1 year. Obviously, depending on weather conditions and usage, the wear and tear will shorten the life of the blades. That's why we recommend inspecting your windshield wipers every 6 months, which is exactly what we'll go over in this video. The easiest way to maintain the performance of your wiper blades is to keep your windshield clean. With a damp cloth or paper towel, remove any dirt, debris, or anything else that could harm the blades when you use them. Just like when you choose your outfit for the day, the weather plays a big role. If you're ever in freezing conditions, defrost the windshield and clear your windshield of any snow or ice before using your wiper blades. Conversely, if you're ever in extreme heat, try not to park directly in sunlight for long periods of time, as the heat can cause damage to the wiper blades as well. Inspecting your windshield wipers every 6 months will give you a heads up on when it's time to replace them before it's too late. If you ever notice a broken or cracked wiper blade or arm, or if they stick to the windshield, it's probably time for a change. The biggest warning sign is if your wiper blades ever reduce visibility by leaving streaks or marks on the windshield, or make noises while in use that they didn't make before. Then it's definitely time to switch them out. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to safety. And there you have it. As always, you can find more information on wiper blades at americastire.com. You can also buy them online and have them installed for free at the same time as your next tire appointment at any America's Tire store location. Thanks for watching.